Hummus. A side dish from Saudi Arabia. Serves 4. You will need 8 ingredients. Step 1. Crush garlic finely. Blend garlic, lemon juice, tahini paste and salt in a food processor or blender until it is smooth. Step 2. Add the chickpeas. Blend again until the mixture is completely smooth. Step 3. Put hummus in a shallow bowl and add about 4 tablespoons of olive oil to smooth over the top of the hummus. You can then decorate the top with the parsley and paprika. Step 4. Heat the bread covered with aluminum foil and serve. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.